Hi there. Today I'm doing a review on these LED solar spotlights. These spotlights were gifted to me in exchange for my review today. Let's open up this box and see what we have. This is what came in the kit. It came in a 4-pack. Now each one of these solar power lights have 84 lenses that will illuminate and make it so bright for you. It also comes with extenders if you need to make the stakes a little bit higher wherever you're putting them, and also 4 of the stakes that go on the end of the extender to put those into the ground. Now these solar lights are 3-color solar light. You have the white, you have the warm light, and the natural light. And there are 2 sets of brightness. Now I really like the fact that you can turn the head around and it moves wherever you'd like it. And after it gets set with the light, I will be moving it so it will illuminate my sidewalk a little bit better. And you can also move this just so it can get more of the sunlight for the day for the charging. On these solar lights on the back side, there is a button to turn it on. Now as you can see, they are very bright out here. I definitely like the way that it has illuminated my sidewalk. It makes it a little bit of a safer walk for me walking into my home. All in all, I believe that these solar lights are a great buy and I suggest them.